Edward Snowden, the famed NSA whistleblower, is now officially on Twitter. Just launched his Twitter handle at Snowden. It is him. It is verified. Currently has about 500,000 followers. Currently following one account. Can you guess which account it is? Some of you are correct. It's the NSA. Get it? Edward Snowden watching the NSA. But anyway, if you don't know who Edward Snowden is, then you're obviously coming of age, and it's about time that you grow up and get with the times. He is the guy who had to flee the country because he confirmed all of the horrendous Orwellian NSA activity by stealing, the numbers vary, thousands to tens of thousands of classified documents, which confirmed what many of us had known for many, many years, but pushed the issues into the mainstream. Back in 2011, I published Big Brother, The Orwellian Nightmare Come True, which is a nonfiction analysis of George Orwell's book and our current situation, society, technology, policies, etc. Almost everything that Edward Snowden revealed, I had revealed a couple years earlier in this book. But the fact that Snowden brought these issues onto the national debate stage, quite incredible. Really a hero, Edward Snowden. So, if you want to follow him on Twitter, he is now there with his verified account at Snowden. I'm Mark Dice. Subscribe to my channel if you're new, and there are more videos coming soon.